Hi, I'm Charles Moy, the founder and CEO of Save Club. Over the past 23 years, I've been involved in every aspect of the network marketing and direct sales industry, from starting as a novice distributor to building large international organizations, to consulting with some of the biggest companies in the industry. I've intimately worked with companies that have done billions in sales, also formulated and manufactured products that are still being sold in over 150 countries. Most importantly, I've had the pleasure of creating many lifelong friendships through this amazing industry. But the industry is struggling. The world has evolved and changed fast. The business models that have been used the past decades simply don't work anymore. People no longer want to pay inflated prices for products just to feed a compensation plan where most people lose and only the top 1% make money. On top of that, the cost of goods and services are going up, and people are searching for a way to save money. That's why we've created Save Club. Save Club is an opportunity where everybody wins. Unlike other businesses that require high startup costs and expensive auto ships before you can make a profit, Save Club puts you in profit instantly with exclusive savings on things you're already doing, like dining, shopping, entertainment, and travel. With over 1 million retailers all around the world, you start winning from day one. Plus, with our powerful system and compensation plan, you can start earning extra income in your spare time from home, anywhere in the world, no experience needed. Check out some of these actual savings you get when using a Save Club membership. Restaurants: Domino's Pizza, average savings $13. Applebee's, average savings 10%. Wingstop, $4. Church's Chicken, $5. Red Lobster, $10. And it's not just national brands. Local restaurants are well represented as well. Want to save $5 at El Rancho Mexican restaurant in Biloxi, Mississippi? Well, here you go. How about retail stores? Bass Pro Shop, average savings $45. Kohl's, 15%. GNC, average savings 20%. Oil changes, save $10 on your Valvoline. JCPenney, Big Five, Petco, Best Buy, Foot Locker, Costco, Sephora, the list goes on. Over 1 million places you can save. Entertainment too. Cinemark, Regal, AMC movie theaters, average savings 25% without changing anything that you're currently doing. And here's a really big one: travel. Check out some of these amazing deals at over 850,000 destinations all around the world. Cancun Resort at Hotels.com or Orbitz, $1,030. With Save Club, only $487. That's savings of over $500. Las Vegas Hotel, $96 on Hotels.com. As a member of Save Club, you get the same exact room, same exact night, just $70. What if you're going to Sydney, Australia? On Orbitz, you'll spend $189 to book 5 hotel. And on Save Club, just $133. That's $56 savings per night. Staying 3 nights, that's over $150 just by using your Save Club membership. In fact, our exclusive travel deals are unmatched anywhere in the world. Other discount travel clubs sell memberships for as much as $150 a month. At Save Club, you get even bigger discounts on travel, plus unlimited savings on dining, entertainment, shopping, and much more, all for just $19.97 a month. The best part is, just by using your Save Club membership a couple times a month, eating and shopping at places you're already going, you can save way more than $19.97 a month. In fact, many of our members will save thousands every year. And if that weren't exciting enough, Save Club also offers a simple and profitable way to earn income with the most powerful system and compensation plan in the industry. Just by submitting your name and email address on this page, you'll instantly receive a free temporary position in our power line. This not only reserves your position, it lets you see exactly how the system works before you have to commit anything to getting started. From that moment, anyone else who takes a look at Save Club will be placed below you in the power line, giving you an opportunity to lock in your position and be placed into the matrix before all of them. Every Friday night is the cutoff to lock in your position. Those who secure their spot by becoming a Save Club member for just $19.97 a month, plus a one-time $60 affiliate sign-up fee, move to the top of the power line, above everyone who waits. Members who upgrade are then placed into our fast-filling 2x16 force matrix before those who hesitate. Each person is positioned in the highest available spot under their enroller, so timing is everything. With Save Club, you get access to unbeatable discounts worldwide that could save you thousands of dollars every year without changing a thing. And if you happen to get people placed under you in the matrix and earn an extra few hundred or even a few $1,000s a month on top of what you already saved, even better. And thanks to our powerful compensation plan, it's possible to earn thousands of dollars per month in the matrix even without enrolling a single person. But when you do share Save Club with others, our industry-leading matching bonuses and monthly revenue sharing pools could put even more money in your pocket as you build a team and advance in rank. Saving money and making money will never go out of style. That's why over the next few years, millions of people from around the world will join Save Club to save money and earn extra income. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you will be placed in the matrix and the faster you can start profiting. Fill out the form and see why Save Club is the easiest way to save more, earn more, and win. Lock in your free position today and start enjoying a life with more money.